Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will introduce you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL on Windows 11. First, let's open a terminal. Let's search PowerShell, run it as administrator. In the terminal, let's navigate to the root directory first and we input this command WSL -- install. This command enables WSL and meanwhile downloads Ubuntu as the default Linux distribution. Okay, it is installing the WSL. It takes for a while. Okay, now it is downloading the Ubuntu. Installing. And after installing, during the first launch, we need to create a username and give a password. So we just use admin user, and for the password, let's just simply do 1234. Retype the password 1234. Okay. Now we are already in WSL in the virtual environment of the Ubuntu. Let's navigate to the home directory. Let's check okay, this home directory is home admin user, and we can check the, let's say, the distribution version of the Linux, right? So let's type lsb release -a. So by default, WSL installed Ubuntu 24.04 for us. So if we would like to exit the WSL and return to the PowerShell, we just type exit, exit. Now we return to the PowerShell. So actually, so we can install different distributions of the Ubuntu or even other Linux distributions. For example, now let's also install the Ubuntu 22.04. We use the option -d. So this command tells we're gonna install a specific Linux distribution, which will be the Ubuntu 22.04. Let's do it. So it takes for a while. Okay, similarly, we need to create a username and give a password. So just using the same one, 1234, 234. Okay, say it hit prompt, welcome to Ubuntu 22.04, which means the distribution is installed successfully. Similarly, we can exit using exit command, return to the PowerShell. And actually, we can check how many different distributions we have installed. So the command is wsl -list. Say we have installed 2 Linux distributions here. So the default one, Ubuntu, is actually 24.04, and we just installed Ubuntu 22.04. And in the PowerShell, if we want access to a specific distributions, we just using the -d option. For example, ws-d Ubuntu, we will access the default Ubuntu 24.04. check it. See, then we exit. We can also use WSL-D Ubuntu 2204. Right? So we can also uninstall any Linux distribution. For example, so if we wanna uninstall the default Ubuntu 2404, we can do this ws-unregister Ubuntu. We don't have to input the default over there. So it's the uninstallation process is very rapid. Now we check it again using the list option. Say we only have the Ubuntu 2204. Now this one becomes the default one because we have deleted the Ubuntu 2404. So okay, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you can give a comment. I will respond. And in the next tutorial, we're gonna teach how to install the OpenFOAM and parallel view within the WSL distribution. Thank you.